Do I like my house? I think I like it.
Cheese.
Cheese. Let me see you smile. Oh, that looks pretty. You look beautiful.
It does like smell.
You look like your daddy. What's your daddy name? Terry?
Terry.
That's who you look like. Do you know that? You know it? Huh?
Cheese. I love her house.
Thank you, Tarinda. Let me hear you sing a song.
Slashing deductible work. That boulder is like your insurance deductible. Always hanging over. Slashing deductible
What is that?
insurance.
What happened to the song? Where the words at? I don't hear any words.
Until
Okay.
Huh?
easy.
Okay, never mind. Thank you for singing.
You're welcome.
Well,